These are flower pots. These are flower pots. ទាំងនេះជាផើងផ្កា We are enjoying movie. We are enjoying movie. ពួកយើងរីករាយនឹងភាពយន្ត We are counting money. We are counting money. ពួកយើងកំពុងរាប់លុយ We are learning English. We are learning English. ពួកយើងកំពុងរៀនអង់គ្លេស They are learning Chinese. They are learning Chinese. ពួកគេកំពុងរៀនចិន We are planting trees. We are planting trees. ពួកយើងដាំដើមឈើ ពួកយើងកំពុងដាំដើមឈើ His story sound true. His story sound true. រឿងគាត់ស្ដាប់ទៅដូចជាការពិត Her sister is so cute. Her sister is so cute. ប្អូនស្រីរបស់នាងស្អាតណាស់ Her video game is new. Her video game is new. Video game របស់នាងគឺជាវីដេអូថ្មី How do you make a box? How do you make a box? តើអ្នកធ្វើប្រអប់មួយដោយរបៀបណា How late are you open? How late are you open? តើអ្នកបើកដល់យប់ប៉ុណ្ណា Late នេះសំដៅទៅលើថាពេលយប់ណាយើងបើកដល់ពេលណាគេសួរនេះគឺសំដៅទៅលើតែការបើកហាងបើកអីចឹងណាតែយើងបើកដល់យប់ម៉ោងប្រហែលដល់ពេលណាចឹងទៅ How long did you stay? How long did you stay? តើអ្នកបានស្នាក់នៅយូរប៉ុណ្ណា How was the match test? How was the match test? តើការប្រឡងគណិតយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរ Where are the showers? Where are the showers? តើក្បាលផ្កាឈូកនៅឯណា Where is Tony playing? Where is Tony playing? តើតូនីកំពុងលេងនៅឯណា That was a great party. That was a great party. វាជាការជួបលៀងដ៏អស្ចារ្យមួយ You must obey the rule. You must obey the rule. អ្នកត្រូវតែគោរពច្បាប់វិន័យ The tree sap is sticky. The tree sap is sticky. ជ័ររបស់ដើមឈើគឺស្អិត They were acting silly. They were acting silly. ពួកគេធ្វើសកម្មភាពឆ្កួតឡប់ឆ្កួតអត់ថា acting មានន័យថាធ្វើអីមួយចឹងណា silly ឡប់ថាឆ្កួត The well is very deep. The well is very deep. អណ្ដូងជ្រៅណាស់ We became good friends. We became good friends. ពួកយើងបានក្លាយជាមិត្តល្អ Take them to your room. Take them to your room. នាំពួកគេទៅបន្ទប់របស់អ្នក Can I use your crayon? Can I use your crayon? តើខ្ញុំអាចប្រើខ្មៅដៃផាត់ពណ៌របស់អ្នកបានទេ I will jot down a note. I will jot down a note. ខ្ញុំនឹងកត់ចំណាំ It was a monster movie. It was a monster movie. វាជាភាពយន្តសត្វចម្លែក The stove was very hot. The stove was very hot. ចង្ក្រានក្តៅណាស់ Stove ចង្ក្រាន Mom said stand still. Mom said stand still. ម៉ាក់និយាយថាឈរឲ្យស្ងៀម stand still ឈរឲ្យស្ងៀមនៅឲ្យស្ងៀម We sleep on a mattress. We sleep on a mattress. ពួកយើងគេងលើពូក They sing a happy song. They sing a happy song ពួកគេច្រៀងចម្រៀងរីករាយ We won the grand prize We won the grand prize ពួកយើងបានឈ្នះរង្វាន់ធំ The boy wears a red cap The boy wears a red cap ក្មេងប្រុសពាក់មួកពណ៌ក្រហម I live near the school I live near the school ខ្ញុំរស់នៅជិតសាលា They sang a funny song They sang a funny song ពួកគេច្រៀងចម្រៀងកំប្លែង A kitten fur is soft A kitten fur is soft រោមកូនឆ្មាទន់ I always say thank you I always say thank you ខ្ញុំតែងតែនិយាយអរគុណ This is my sister Jan This is my sister Jan នេះគឺជាប្អូនស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំ Jan It snows in the winter It snows in the winter ព្រិលធ្លាក់នៅរដូវរងា I want to write a book I want to write a book ខ្ញុំចង់សរសេរសៀវភៅមួយក្បាល She is a good neighbor She is a good neighbor នាងជាអ្នកជិតខាងល្អ I was mad at my sister I was mad at my sister ខ្ញុំខឹងបងស្រីខ្ញុំ That is his red jacket That is his red jacket នោះគឺជាអាវពណ៌ក្រហមរបស់គាត់ They have a green lawn They have a green lawn ពួកគេមានធ្លាដាំស្មៅបៃតង I like to go to school I like to go to school ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តទៅសាលា I want to be a teacher I want to be a teacher ខ្ញុំចង់ក្លាយជាគ្រូបង្រៀនម្នាក់ He is my college He is my college គាត់ជាមិត្តរួមការងាររបស់ខ្ញុំ